Hi, CP Psychology students. It's Ms. Schiffer here, sending you a very warm welcome to the 2020-21 school year. I'm so happy you were able to join me for a few minutes to get to know me and Canvas a little bit better. This year is unprecedented in so many ways. We are expecting some challenges that we must face from COVID and the pandemic that it's caused, and also because unfortunately, I will not be joining you at the beginning of this school year. As some of you know, my daughter was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia, a form of blood cancer, in November of 2019. At that time, I had to leave the classroom to care for her, and she's still in active treatment, though doing well, and hopefully we are at the latter phase of some of her harder treatment. So I do plan on rejoining the classroom in November, and I look forward to meeting you all in person. In the meantime, I wanted to give you a quick tour of our classroom and also introduce you to our sub. You will be having Mr. Riker again. Some of you are familiar with him as he did take over my classes last year. So let's take a quick minute to look at some of the changes on Canvas so that you can play around and become comfortable with this new platform. I mean, it's not a new platform necessarily, but there have been some big changes made to the platform and also to the way that we will be using it throughout the school year. So if you hit the home button on Canvas, you'll see this Bitmoji banner pop up. You can click on my picture and you will be taken to an additional Google slide of getting to know me. Below, this is going to be your main navigation. All of these link you directly to information that you'll need throughout the school year, specifically modules and our live classes via Zoom. Some of these features are already active. Some of them won't become active until we start the school year. I want to direct you to some Zoom expectations. So if you click on live class, it will bring up, because there's no Zoom link yet, it will bring up my Zoom expectations. So take a moment to get to know those. You can also go through some of the modules that are going to appear, as well as looking at our course syllabus. If you want to do that ahead of time, you will be required to review the course syllabus, which Mr. Reichert will do with you, and a parent guardian will need to sign off on that. So take a moment to kind of browse through Canvas if you have access to log in. If not, you will be receiving that access within the next day or two. So I hope you all have a wonderful start to your school year. I'm so sad that I won't be joining you, but I look forward to seeing you in November. Until then, take care and try pride.